Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on Nothing Phone 3. Let's begin. So, let's simply expand our control center and click Wi-Fi. Alternatively, we could press and hold onto the Wi-Fi to have a nicer view with a full screen. Now we should see a list of every single network that is near our phone. We want to choose the one that we are interested in, so usually you want to check behind your router or below your router, check its name, check the password, and then you want to click on said network and simply input the password. Just like I did. So let's simply hit connect, and if the password is ready, you are good to go. Alternatively, you could ask someone from your maybe family or somebody else that is already connected to the network to go into network details and go with share. They would have to input the pattern or any kind of password, and here you can simply just check for the Wi-Fi. And not only you see the password, but also you can just scan the QR code and you're also good to go. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.